We're here in the beautiful Amsterdam and we're with APT Lounge and we meet interesting people and could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Andrea Bonaceto. I'm the founding partner and CEO at Eterna Capital. Eterna Capital is an investment fund focused on blockchain technology and digital assets, and we set it up this year. It's myself alongside 3 ex-BlackRock employees.
One of the highlights still so far is that you invested in Definity in an early stage and also Hedera Hashgraph. Could you please tell something about that?
Yeah, sure. We invest quite a lot at the moment at this phase of the market on the protocol and the infrastructure layer. So Definity and Hedera Hashgraph are 2 of our investments. We're also early investors in Algorand, which is again around blockchain platforms, and Origin Protocol as well. But yeah, are all high-profile projects. Every time we try to invest, are always largely oversubscribed, and we tend to pitch our fund and our added value to ensure that we have an allocation.
And why do we invest in protocol layers? Why are they so important?
Because we think that at the moment that's the main bottleneck for the technology, and I feel that it will come as well a time for decentralized apps. Probably in a few years, in a few months, we'll have to see when. But at the moment, you still basically have to build the building blocks on which you can build a decentralized application. We think that it makes sense, to spread, to place a few bets on the very high-profile ones. So, yeah.
Examples?
Yeah, I think Definity is one of them. Algorand is another one. When you see people from full professors at MIT, Turing Award winners, poor people that they are in the space since a very long time and they did other successful projects. Then they start focusing on these problems of scalability, security, and with platforms that are truly decentralized, secured. You give them credit, and I think they stand out. There are a lot as well of projects that they claim to solve the same problems, but they're not credible because the team is not strong. Of course, the team is the first thing we look at such an early stage. We have built our own proprietary due diligence framework. So basically, we have a list of elements that we check every time we invest in a project, and then we score each project against these different elements. And then we have buy score or sell score, and then we basically decide. But that's something that we do not really publicly advertise much, because it's our own secret sauce in getting to the best project. One which is quite interesting, and we had a chat with them as well, is Starkware. Yeah, I think they were also at DevCon, and Ethereum spoke about them. Could be a way for Ethereum to scale even in the short term in a secure way. Another one that we really like is one of our investments is Algorand. We support them quite a lot. We have organized a couple of meetups, one at Imperial College London and another one at University of Cambridge, where Algorand's founder Silvio Micali came and delivered a very interesting presentation. And yeah, we are now going with them as well. We invite them to an event in Dubai, and they're joining. So I think they are all very serious projects, and yeah, we really look forward to see what's happening next.
All right. Thank you very much for your time, and all the best.
Thanks a lot.